Hey guys, what's up? It's been a while since I've vlogged. I'm gonna be running some errands today with my stuff. So I'm gonna take you guys along and vlog a little bit. My outfit today, I'm wearing this cardigan from H&M. My pants are from Zara, and then I'm wearing this chain necklace thing from H&M. It's 12:41 right now. I'm done with my breakfast and we're headed to food hall right now. I think it's been over a month since I've gone to the mall or just out in general. And since the cases are also rising in the city, it's not really safe to go out, but I think once in a while is fine. And yeah, we're gonna maintain our distance. Currently 6:05 p.m. and I got back from food hall. We ran some errands and got some stuff. I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul of all the things that we got. The first thing that we got are these sweet potatoes spiced chips. My sister actually really wanted to try these out. Next up, we got some Sleepy Owl coffee. We got the classic one and the sweet one. My sister wanted to try this black alkaline water. This is what it looks like. Got some lettuce for like sandwich and like wraps and everything. Vegan meat options. Now I'm not vegan, but we still want to try these vegan sausages, so we got two of these. We had many options, but we got the classic one and the barbecue one. Got some cheese garlic pretzels, Smart Natural Mixers ginger ale. My sister actually really wanted to try this ginger ale, so we got this one. Next up, we got kombucha in the flavor ginger love. You want to try like different kombucha options because there's like many these days, but we got this one to try out. We got this hot chicken flavor jajangmyeon ramen. This was the only one left. I actually really loved the pink one, but it wasn't available, so I got jajangmyeon, which is black bean noodle, and then my sister got this vegetable noodle from Samyang. Yeah, those are all the things that I got from food hall. And also we stopped in H&M on our way, and from H&M I got this silver chain necklace. I'm currently wearing a similar one. I also have the gold one. I absolutely love it, so we also wanted to get a silver one. Okay, so it's a couple days later and I have some packages to open, so I'm gonna quickly unbox this before I head out. First up, we have a Zara package. First thing that I got, white polo t-shirt in the size small. My sister got the same one, so we have two of these. And I just got this ripped top in this pastel yellow color. The next package is from Amazon. We got these iced teas from Brew House Tea. Actually got all of their flavors last month. $200 for like 6 of them. We love the classic lemon iced tea. So yeah, that's what we got. Disposable Japanese willow mask. Lastly, obviously I stocked up on my Mediheal sheet mask. That is it for my haul, and I'm gonna be heading out now. It's a couple days later and I'm back home. Per usual, I'm gonna make some iced coffee. I'm actually gonna try out this new instant coffee that my sister got recently, and I stole it from her. This is what my coffee looks like. It actually smells like a toffee nut latte from Starbucks. I've been trying a lot of coffee, so recently I got those Nescafe Tetra Pak. They were disgusting. It was just like milk, not even enough coffee, so I added like 2 more espresso shots inside of it. Honestly, I'm not a big fan. It's not even strong. I think I'm gonna have to add like a shot of espresso to this one as well. I'm gonna go and add more coffee to this drink. But yeah, that is it for this vlog, and I will see you guys soon.